So Meta glasses are like what, $500 from Meta or wherever the hell you want to get them from? 500, 600? I don't know. Canadian dollars? Nah. Honestly, just get these. You're wasting your time with the other ones. Ooh, nice packaging. Just get some from AliExpress for like 130 bucks or whatever. They're literally the same. Look. Sick. Yep, black photochromatic lenses. Charging case is going to be in black. Yeah, this thing, okay, yeah, it comes from China, but then again, everything comes from China. All right, let's open these up. So let's not butcher this case or cut myself. We only need one little incision. Oh, I'm a doctor. No, I'm kidding, I'm not a doctor. Okay, gone. Don't need the knife. Okay, let's see how these open. Oh. Ooh. Nice. Yeah, anyway, so AliExpress Meta glasses. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're gonna drop them. Yeah. So, looks like they come with a... Why is it so dusty? Okay, whatever. Who cares? Yo, look at that. So you can literally... This is a charging case. You can literally charge your phone with this. But you can also... Oh, in and out. So I guess that's where you charge it. And that's where you can charge something with. Yeah, this is also an out. Does it have battery? Ooh! It has full battery. Sick! Okay, so it's like a black charging case, and I'm assuming that it opens like this. Oh, wow, the glasses are in there. Cool, what do we get? What else do we get? Is there anything else in the box? Probably some instructions that are like in Chinglish or whatever. Oh, that's empty. Don't need that. Might need that. Ooh, comes with a little piece of foam. Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Okay, so it comes with, I have no idea what these are. Okay, whatever, cool. And a oh, wait, is this wireless charger? Oh, that's how to charge them. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, some cleaning materials, and then, yeah, MO2. Oh, MO2. I wonder what MO1 is. Anyways, got your camera, got the flash, got the charging content on the, contact on the inside. And then, yeah, to turn it on. Okay, anyways, do we really need instructions? Oh, it's in German too. Yes. Yeah, anyways, it comes in a million different languages. Yeah, we don't need that. We just need to see these glasses. So let's see what comes in here. It's definitely the glasses. Okay, that's pretty cool inside there. Not much. Yeah, it's just literally the little two prongs, I guess, that charge it. So, whoa. Hello. I'm going to look real nice in these. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to put them on yet, so let's not mess with them too much. Okay, we're going to take that off. I'm going to take this off. Oh, this just feels weird. Why is it like that? Is it supposed to be like that? Okay, I guess it is. Well, whatever. Anyways, that's what you guys get. There. Some glasses. All right, let's very carefully remove this. Anyways, whatever. I'm going to put these on charge, and then in the next part of this video, you guys will see me film with these. Apparently, they are 4K, so just like this video is for the unboxing, you guys are going to get some footage with these in 3, 2, 1. We got the camera glasses on. We're going to go for a drive. I want you guys to listen to the audio and see the video. We got a little bit of sun in our eyes, but these glasses are actually amazing because these photochromatic lenses or whatever, normally they are like clear, like glass, but these ones actually transition and they become black. Well, you can't really see it, but I can literally stare at the sun right now and it feels great, honestly. All right, so we are recording through this application that is provided with the, what do you call it? With the glasses, and it kind of works great, but I'm more curious about
how the angle is. It's probably filming from this side from what I remember, so you guys can kind of see this, but not really this, which is fine. Again, I can kind of sit in the center, and you guys get more of like this angle instead of this. But the way I can kind of fix that is if I move my head kind of to the left and pretend that this camera is in the center. But again, I don't know. That's fine. You guys get a little bit of AMG exhaust. Oh, sounds great. Oh yeah, these dudes love it. Yes, bro, it's a C63 AMG. Yeah, bro. Ah, they love it. They love it. Okay, I think this is a pretty good test. All right, we made it. We made it. We made it. Okay, let's park. Let's park. Let's pause the video, and I think that's pretty much it for this video. Yep, there we go. All right, we still got a little bit of sun in our eyes, but that's kind of fine. Most importantly is that I can see everything kind of pretty well, and hopefully you guys can see everything pretty well. So we're gonna press this button again and stop the video, and that'll be the end of the video. In the next one, actually, you guys will see us install this thing inside here. There's actually a really cool box that we got. Yeah, and it's basically the Android Auto system. So instead of this screen over here, you guys are going to have a big screen right here. It's going to be able to run Maps, Spotify, YouTube, literally everything. So I'm super excited to replace this kind of screen because honestly, to reach in there, it's a little bit annoying. I prefer to, like, if I'm sitting back here, I almost can't even reach unless I really stretch. So it'd be nice to kind of have a screen over here, and then we'll just move the phone out of the way. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we unbox this. We'll do an unboxing video, and then we will do an installation video, and then we'll do a review video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.